Hello everyone and welcome to Eleanor's Hearty Home. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this quick, healthy and delicious pineapple salad. Watch till the end to see all the details. Let's start. One big green apple, remove the skin. How do you peel your apple? The same way I do. Cut it into medium cubes, not too big, not too small. I would suggest to use green apple only because you want to have the crunch and the sourness that it has. Next we're gonna cut our celeries. I use 2 ribs and cut them also for a medium size. Now for our pineapple. Rinse it over and dry. Look for the best position and cut it diagonally. It might be a little bit challenging to cut it through, so use a sharp knife, but be careful on your fingers. Remove about a half from the pineapple crown. Did you know that the pineapple leaves called crown? Scoop the pineapple from the skin, but be careful not to cut through the skin because you still want to keep it whole, so we can fill it up with our salad. Remove the middle part of the pineapple. You don't want to have it in your salad because it's a little bit hard and would be rough to eat. One more thing about the pineapple, when you're buying it, choose the green one so it's ready to eat but not too soft. Next we're gonna chop some walnuts. If somebody is allergic, you can skip this part, but it adds a lot. When we're done with all the chopping, gonna add some salt, a little bit of mayo, okay, some more. Don't add too much mayo, you don't want it to swim in the mayo. Mix it and it's all done. Let's plate. Choose a nice serving plate, put the scooped pineapple and add it to salad. I like to give it the spilling effect. It's easier to do it with the hands. Clean the plate and look at this beauty. Your family and guests will be so surprised with this tasty, healthy and easy to make salad, and of course the amazing presentation. For more videos, please subscribe and share so you won't miss out. Let's try. Delicious.